Hello, Dr. Arten. How are you?
Hello, Fiori. I'm good. How are you doing today?
I'm good, thank you. So we are here today with Dr. Arten, one of the best dentists in Istanbul already, and he's going to talk a little bit about himself and his life, since a lot of people are curious about him. So can you tell us a little bit about yourself? How did you come to Turkey and what is your specialization?
Sure. I'm Dr. Arten. I was born in Albania. I came to Turkey for studying in Dentistry University in Dentistry. Actually, I came to Turkey because I found out that the health here, education is very, very good. So I came here and I studied dentistry, and after that I came to Istanbul and I became an oral surgeon.
What is the most required dental treatment that you get from your patients?
My patients have been from all over the world. Let me tell you that the patients that are coming to Turkey, generally they are coming for surgery and aesthetic dentistry, for Hollywood smile. The most important treatments that we are doing in everyday life is Hollywood smile and dental implants.
Where do most of your patients come from?
We do have patients from UK, from America, from Africa, Albania, Balkans, Europe. Everywhere we have patients because their priority is to have the best possible dental treatments. They are coming for an affordable premium dental treatments. Since they all have the same needs, they want to have a good dental treatments without problems, so they are choosing Turkey, they are choosing our clinic.
And do you have more male or female patients?
It depends on what they are interested for. I can surely tell you that patients that are coming for hair transplant, almost 90% of them are male. But for dental treatments, we do have female and male also. Females are coming more for aesthetic problems, issues, like Hollywood smiles, laminate veneers, zirconia crowns. But males, they're almost focused on, because they are not treating very good their own teeth. They have a lot of missing teeth, so they are coming for generally implants and Hollywood smiles together.
What is the hardest thing about your job?
Actually, for me, it's very easy. I can tell you that I'm operating or I'm making surgery every day.
Yeah, I know you like more making a surgery than driving a car.
Yeah, for me it's more easy that making an operation or cutting somebody's mouth than going to the market. It is because I love this job. For me, it's very easy. I know what I do, and then I'm relaxed. I just need to talk on the music, and then.
But you didn't do wine yet.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Well, why are you lying?
Because you are so afraid of it, so that's why.
No, I'm not afraid. If you wouldn't be a dentist, what would you be?
Let me tell you exactly that. For sure, I would like to be a dentist or plastic surgery. Nothing else. I love my job. I'm very.
You love cutting people.
Yeah, basically, I love cutting people every day in my life. Sometimes when I go in the holiday for 2 weeks, I don't cut somebody. I get crazy because I want to cut.
You get stressed.
I get stressed. I want to cut somebody, so I love blood actually.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The only thing that I could change.
Don't cut that.
I can tell you that I would change my profession only with plastic surgeon, or maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know because I love what I do. So.
Why do you love Istanbul so much?
I've been traveling in almost all over the world. I've seen a lot of quiet places, a lot of metropoles, but Istanbul is, let me tell you, it's a city that you can find in the same time modern, history, luxury, everything you can find here, and it's very beautiful for visiting. It's a place that is giving the everything for a patient and for us also.
Yeah, they can also travel around.
They can
Expect for having the dental treatment.
Because we are doing the first treatment, and then after that he has to wait for 2 or 3 days.
Yeah.
So these 2 or 3 days he can visit a lot of places. If he likes food, you know, Turkish food is very, very beautiful, very tasty. If they want history, they can travel. If they want,
it's like they can have the treatment and also have kind of vacation at the same time.
At the same time, yeah.
How long does a patient need to stay in Istanbul for getting a dental treatment, like for example, laminate veneers or implants?
Sometimes they're flying 20 hours to come to get this treatment, so this is a big effort for them. They are not coming to have only some small fillings or some root canals or something. Sometimes they do, but generally they are coming here for Hollywood smiles and dental implants. Let's say for the whole smile makeover, what I love to do most with them. If they're going to come just only for the Hollywood smiles and they don't have any surgery to need to be done, they just need to come here for 1 week. One session, it's done. But generally, if they are coming for missing teeth and we have to make some surgery, some dental implants, and then we have to make the Hollywood smile. So we want the patient to come for 2 times. The first time he can come for 3 or 4 days. So basically we can make all the surgeries, and then later he goes to his own country, wait for 3 months. It depends on the quality of the bone, and then they are coming again for the next step, which is the Hollywood smile. So I can tell you they need to come 1 or 2 sessions. It depends on what they needed. Yeah. But since we are doing these treatments before the patient are coming, we're making some online examination face to face with the patient. So it's helping us to understand what are the needs of the patient, so we can decide in priority how many times he needs to come. But I want to mention also that Arten Clinic is not only providing dental treatments, we are providing also hair transplant. So in some cases, since the patients are coming from a lot, let's say more than 10 hours flight, we are trying to make the combination of hair transplant and dental treatment in the same time. What we are doing basically, we are studying the dental treatments, and then meanwhile he has to wait for 3 or 4 days for the dental lab. In this time we're making the operation of hair
you're
transplant.
making a combination of the both surgeries.
So basically we're making the patient's life easier because we are professional here, we have the professional team, we're making the organization of everything. He just needs to take the flight and come here.
What is your favorite dental procedure to do?
My favorite is my daughter.
Your daughter.
Netflix! Baba, Netflix! So this is the new generation, you know? I like surgery more because I like blood, I like to cut people more. Yeah, dental implants, let's say, is my favorite procedure. I also like the Hollywood smile procedure because at the end, the result that when I see the patient in the mirror that is super happy, basically we're changing the way they are smiling, we're changing. Smiling is something very important because when you smile in a beautiful way, you are more confident about yourself. So basically, I'm listening, a lot of patients nowadays are telling you basically changed my life. So that's why also Hollywood smile I like so much.
Would you make your teeth?
Yes, nowadays I'm focused and I'm gonna make my Hollywood smile also because
Who is gonna do it for you since you are the surgeon?
since I cannot do myself, I have a lot of friends.
You will go in front of the mirror.
No. I have a lot of friends that can do it for me, but of course I'm gonna control it.
Okay.
It's gonna be on my hand.
Who is the worst dentist that you know in Istanbul?
This is very difficult.
Do you have a life?
Do I have a life? What is this question? Do I have a life? Sometimes, of course, I like to have some rest.
How do you make the balance between your life and work?
I'll skip this question.
And the last one, what would you say to other young students who are studying dentistry?
It doesn't matter who is the patient, it doesn't matter the price, it doesn't matter anything. Just do it because you love to do it. And there is no way, there is no possibility that you are not going to be successful. For sure, you're going to be successful. Just do what you love because you won't be working any day of your life.
Thank you so much for answering all these questions.
See you next time.